Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Robinhood account password. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. This is the home screen of the Robinhood app. Now, in order to change your Robinhood account password, you need to go to your profile settings. You can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner over here. Tap on it. Now that you're in your profile page, you can see the three lines icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. In this menu page, you can see the security and privacy option. Tap on it. In this security page, here you can see the password option. Tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the update password page where you can change your password of your account. All you need to do is enter your current password over here, and right below that, you can see the new password field. Tap on it. Here you can set up a new password for your account. Make sure your password is secured and easy for you to remember. And right below that, reconfirm your password. And once you're done, you can tap on the submit button at the bottom. And there you go. That's how you can easily change your Robinhood account password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.